Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a scratch test on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE to see how durable the screen and back of the device, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and Gorilla Glass 5 on the rear. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the three different knives we are going to use for this testing purpose. So first of all, let's start with this one. Let's try this one now. Now let's try some on the back. Now let's have a look on our device. So first of all, let's switch off the display. It is looking quite okay to me. No scratches or any damage visible. If you see any damage, please feel free to let me know at the exact timestamp where you have noticed any scratch. So far it is looking perfect to me. Let's have a look on the back. Back we got this nice color that is going to hide a bit of the scratches for sure, but still nothing is visible. As you can see, this is it's not a damage, it's some fabric or something. So no damage at all so far on the display of our Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So now let's try this big one. A bit on the back. And once again, let's have a look on our device. So first on the back. Once again, no visible damage or scratches to the back. Let's have a look on the front side. Looking pretty good to me again. No scratches at all. These are just some smudges, fingerprints, but no scratch. This is also some fabric. So there is no visible damage, no scratches. Once again, if you see anything, feel free to point it out in the comment section, but to my eyes there's nothing bad that happened to our S24 FE display. So it looks like that the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front side and the Gorilla Glass 5 on the rear on our Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is quite nice. As you can see, it is working perfectly as well. everything is fine, as you can see here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.